The secret garden helper, charcoal for plants. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that combines gardening with a sustainable practice: charcoal for plants. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or someone curious about innovative ways to boost plant health, this video is for you. Let's explore how charcoal can be a game changer in your garden. Charcoal, especially biochar or horticultural charcoal, is not the same as the charcoal bricks used in your barbecue. This type of charcoal is pure, free from chemicals, and has a porous structure. Its primary role in gardening is to improve soil health by increasing moisture retention, providing nutrients, and improving the soil's pH balance. Charcoal can be a boon for plants, contributing to their overall growth and vitality. Charcoal offers several benefits for plants and soil. Enhances soil structure. It helps the soil retain water and nutrients, making them more available to plant roots. Promotes microbial life. The porous nature of charcoal provides a habitat for beneficial microbes, which play a crucial role in nutrient absorption. Detoxifies soil. Charcoal can absorb toxins, reducing their harmful effects on plants. Prevents fungal diseases. By improving drainage and aeration, charcoal helps prevent conditions that foster fungal growth. Using charcoal in your garden is straightforward. Here are a few tips. For potting mixes, mix a layer of charcoal at the bottom of pots to improve drainage and prevent root rot. As a soil amendment, incorporate charcoal into the soil to enhance its quality. It's especially beneficial for plants that thrive in rich, organic environments. For terrariums, charcoal is an essential layer in terrariums, preventing water from stagnating and keeping the environment fresh. We hope this video sheds light on the benefits of using charcoal for plants and inspires you to incorporate it into your gardening practices. Charcoal is not just for barbecues. It's a powerful ally for your garden, promoting healthier plants and a more vibrant ecosystem. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.